Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check the online warranty on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the browser app on your smartphone. Now from here, just search IMEI Global. Now from here, just open the Xiaomi Global website. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Customer Support. Now from here, as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just select your country. Now from here, just tap on Service and Chat. Now if the Service and Chat option is not available in your country, you can contact Xiaomi's customer support with this number, or you can contact them with the email support. Now if the Service and Chat option is available in your country, just tap on Service and Chat. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Live Chat. Now from here, just tap on Yes. Now from here, just enter your email address. Now once you enter your email address, just tap on Submit. Now from here, just type warranty status. Now it will take a few seconds to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Dear customer, welcome to Xiaomi customer service." Now as you can see, they are asking us to share the IMEI code of this device. Now to do that, just go to the home screen. Now from here, just open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#06#. Now from here, just copy the IMEI code of this device. Just like that. Now from here, just go to the recent apps and open the Chrome browser. Now from here, just paste the IMEI code we just copied. Now from here, just tap on Send. Now it will take a few seconds for them to reply. Now as you can see, they are asking us to wait a few seconds for them to check the details of our device. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now from here, as you can see, you can check the details of your device. The device's name is Poco C75. Its color is gold. It has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Now, as you can see, the warranty start time is 11th of November 2024 and the warranty end time is 11th of November 2025. And this is how you can check online warranty on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.